Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you've encountered we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect your organization error 0xc004f074, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is run the Windows update and the activation troubleshooters. For that we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we'll go to system, look for the activation troubleshooter, and we'll expand activation state. Now since I have no errors with my Windows key, it shows Windows is activated with a digital license. But if you're having this error, and which is why you've come to this video, then you will have a line in red which says that you have activation issues, and you will get a blue color spanner like button icon, and alongside that it will be written activation troubleshooter. You need to click on that and then let it run. Now we'll also go to system again, and then once the activation troubleshooter runs, we will run the Windows update troubleshooter. For that we'll click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and then click on the run Windows update troubleshooter. Once that is over, then we will disable fast startup. For that we will look for power CFG. We'll press the Windows and the R key together to bring up the run dialog box, and then we'll type power CFG .cpl and click enter, or press enter, and then click on choose what the power buttons do in the left hand corner. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable, and then we need to uncheck this box, turn on fast startup. Click on save changes, and then we move on to the next step, which is to run a DISM scan and a SFC scan. So we'll look for command prompt and click on run as administrator, and then we'll enter the command DISM space slash online space slash clean up hyphen image space slash RESTOREHEALTH, and you press enter. I'm not pressing enter because the scan takes quite a long time, and I'm like to keep this video short for your convenience. So once this scan is done, then we will move on to the SFC scan. So we will enter the command SFC space slash SCANNOW and press enter and wait for the scan to run. Now once that is done, we will disable the Windows firewall. So for that we need to look for firewall. Okay, we'll go to Windows Defender Firewall, and then we will click on Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and we will click turn off here in the public and private network settings, and then click on OK. But folks, a word of caution: once you switch off the firewall and you run the commands which I'm going to show you how to run it, make sure that you turn on the Defender firewall, because if you don't and keep running the system, there's a good chance that a malware will infect your system and cause a lot of issues. So once that is done, we will now go to the command prompt and we will click on run as administrator, and then we will enter the command slmgr space slash dlv, and we will press enter. Now this will give you the current license info, as you can see. Now if it doesn't, then the next command we need to run is slmgr space slash upk and press enter. Now I won't press enter because this will deactivate any key that is installed in your Windows. So I will just move on to the next command, and these commands you will find in the description of this video below. The next command is slmgr space slash ipk space, and then you need to enter the activation key that you have acquired with the Windows, the license key that you have acquired with your Windows copy. You need to enter it here and press enter. This will activate your key, and once that is done, You should no longer see this error message, but always remember folks, go back to firewall and then click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, click on turn on, OK. And the final thing left to do is to click on the Windows button, click on the start button and click on restart. And that should solve the issue. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.